Now let us solve this seventh problem. It is a upon x minus b plus b upon x minus a equal to 2. First, we convert this in standard form. So what we do, we cross multiply. So a times x minus a plus b times x minus b whole divided by x minus b into x minus a will give me answer as 2. This implies that ax minus a square plus bx minus b square is equals to 2 times. Now I multiply this bracket, so I will get x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. So I collect all the x square terms at one place, all x term at one place, and all constant at one place. So what I will get? I will get 2 times x square, then minus I have 2 times ax minus 2 times bx. This ax and bx will move on that side, and I have minus ax minus bx. Now this 2x square, this minus 2x and this minus ax. So I have minus 3x. So what I will do? I will take minus 3 common, and here I have a plus b times x. And this term, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, can be written as a plus b the whole square and is equal to 0. Now what is my a in this particular problem? A is 2, and what is c? It is a plus b the whole square. So what I need to do is, I have to factorize this 2 times a plus b the whole square in such a way that my addition will be minus 3 times a plus b. So 2a plus b the whole square. What I will do? I will write here minus 2 times a plus b, and here it is a plus b. You must understand by observing the factors, observing the terms, what factor you need to do. This is minus 2 times a plus b, and this is minus a plus b. So this thing I will write as 2x square minus 2 times a plus b times x minus, I write here downside, minus a plus b times x, and finally I have a plus b the whole square and equal to 0. So in this first two terms, I can take 2x common. So here I have x minus, in bracket I will say that a plus b, and here I will take that a plus b common. So I have here x minus a plus b equal to 0. So this x minus a plus b I will take in one bracket, and 2x minus a plus b I will take in another bracket, and this whole will be equal to 0. So this gives me either x minus a plus b equal to 0, or 2x minus a plus b equal to 0. So finally I have x is equal to a plus b, or I have 2x is equal to a plus b. So my final answer is either x is equal to a plus b, or I have x is equal to a plus b whole divided by 2. Now in this eighth problem, the value of a is ab, the value of c is minus bc, and the value of b is b square minus ac. So here what I have to do is, I have to multiply first this a term with c term So what I will get? I will get minus a b square c, and I have to arrange them in factors such that the middle term will be b square minus ac. So it's simple. I write one factor as b square and one factor as minus ac. So it will be b square minus ac. So therefore, it will be ab x square plus b square term times x minus ac times x minus bc equal to 0. Now from these first two terms, what we can take common? B into x we can take common. So bx, if I take common, I have ax plus b in one bracket, and here I will take c common. So here I have ax plus b equal to 0. Now this ax plus b I will take in one bracket, and another bracket I have bx minus c equal to 0. So this gives me ax plus b is 0 or bx minus c is 0. So what I can say that? I can say that ax is equals to minus b, or I will say that bx is equals to c. So finally this gives me x is equals to minus b upon a, or x is equals to c upon b. So this is our solution. Now we will solve this last problem. 3 times 7x plus 1 upon 5x minus 3 minus 4 times 5x minus 3 upon 7x plus 1 is equal to 11. X is not equal to 3 by 5. It is not equal to minus 1 by 7. So first what we will do, we try to convert this in a general form. So for that, first we cross multiply. So cross multiplication will give me 3 times this 7x plus 1 the whole square minus 4 times this 5x minus 3 the whole square whole divided by 5x minus 3 into 7x plus 1 is equals to 11. Now we open this bracket. So I have 3 times this 7x plus 1 the whole square is 49x square plus 14 times x plus 1 minus 4 times I have 25x square minus 30x plus 9 whole divided by, I open this bracket, so it is 35x square plus 5x minus 21x minus 3 and equal to right hand side is 11. This is this 3 times, so if I open the bracket, 3 9s are 27, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, so this is 147 x square plus 14 3s are 42 times x plus 3 minus this is 100x square, this will be plus 120x, this is minus 36 whole divided by 35x square minus 16x minus 3 equal to 11. So this numerator 147x square minus 100x square will give me 47 times x square. This 42x and this 120x, their addition will give me plus 140 to 160, it is 160 2 times x, and this 3 minus 36 will give me minus 33 is equals to, I cross multiply, so this is 385 times x square minus 176 times x minus 33. So on left hand side I have minus 33, on right hand side I have minus 33, they will cancel each other. So what I will have this 385 x square minus 47 x square. So 385 minus 47 times x square, then minus 176, so I will take bracket, plus 162 times x is equals to 0. So this is 15 minus 7, I have 8, then 7 minus 4, I have 3, so it is 338 x square minus this 6 plus 2 is 8, 7 plus 6 is 3, so 338x is equals to 0. So x we will take common, or I will say that 338x I will take common. So here I have x minus 1 equal to 0. So this indicates that either x is 0 or x minus 1 is 0. So final answer I will say that x is 0 or x is 1.